Welcome student. After completing preparation of benzene, now we will going to discuss chemical properties of benzene. Chemical properties. Okay. So see, very interesting. Benzene is a very interesting compound. If we observe this benzene or any other aromatic compound, you will find this compound contain double bond. This compound having double bond. Okay, just observe the structure, you will find there are three pi bond or three double bond present. So ultimately you will think it is an unsaturated compound. Okay, just by observing this structure you will think that this compound is unsaturated. Okay, unsaturated compound. And so ultimately you will try for addition compound, because addition reaction, because addition reaction is the characteristic reaction of unsaturated compound. The organic compound which is unsaturated means it must undergo addition reaction very easily at under normal condition. But our benzene or any other aromatic compound are very different than unsaturated compound, because see, benzene is a planar molecule, and every carbon atom, all the 6 carbon atom in benzene or any other aromatic compound are in sp2 hybridization, formed by sp2 hybridization means bond angle is 120. Okay, and planar geometry, their geometry is planar with bond angle 120. Okay, now if we observe carefully this, as we know, carbon single bond length is 153, I think 1.154 picometer in case of normal. In case of saturated compound, carbon single bond, in case of alkane one, the carbon single bond length is 154 picometer, and in case of double bond, this bond length is 133 picometer. Means if the compound is unsaturated having carbon double bond, their bond length is 133 picometer, and if compound is containing carbon single bond, then you will find carbon bond length must be 154 picometer. So if we observe this, our benzene contain 3 single bond and 3 double bond. So you will thought that this in case of benzene, carbon single bond must be 154 picometer and carbon double bond length must be 133 picometer. But X-ray analysis or structure determination, various physical method indicate that bond length, all the bonds are identical, all the chemical bond, even they are looking different, single bond, double bond, but if we observe carefully or after physical study, you will find all the 6 carbon bond are identical with bond length 140 picometer. Means all bonds having bond length 140 picometer, even having double bond and single bond character. So the bond length in aromatic compound or even in case of benzene are in between carbon single bond and carbon double bond. Means here all the bonds in benzene or other aromatic compound neither single bond character nor double bond character. Their bond character are in between carbon single bond and carbon double bond. That's why aromatic compound are interesting compound. Their bond length, their everything they are showing. If you observe this structure, you will find it is unsaturated, but it never give the taste of unsaturated compound, never cover color change. This aromatic compound never change the pink color of chemophore or even bromine water. So, and unsaturated compound always is undergo addition reaction under normal condition, but our benzene or other aromatic compound does not show addition reaction at normal condition. They resist addition reaction. Okay, but on the other hand, they easily undergo substitution reaction, which is not the property of unsaturated compound. Most of the unsaturated compound does not show substitution reaction under normal condition. Okay, so that is the difference between our benzene and remaining unsaturated compound. So, but still, benzene or other aromatic compound undergo addition reaction under drastic condition, not normal condition, and they easily undergo substitution reaction, because see, therefore our benzene is interesting. So benzene show two types of reaction. One is addition reaction, B substitution reaction. See, if you observe carefully the structure of benzene, you will find there is a electron cloud moving, pi electron cloud moving continuously, and this electron cloud present above the plane and also below the plane. Okay, just like this. This is the plane containing carbon skeleton, and above the plane these electrons are revolving, and below the plane also these electrons are revolving. Means this benzene is a electron rich molecule. This is electron rich molecule. Okay, because having lobes, these are the lobes. Okay, like this. Okay, therefore these are the pi electron, these are also pi electron. 50% lobes are present above the plane, 50% lobes present below the plane. Therefore these are the electron continuously in motion, pi electron cloud. Therefore this will make the benzene ring electron rich. This surrounding area of benzene ring contain negative character because of movement of electron, delocalization of pi electron cloud. This whole molecule become electron rich or nucleophilic in nature. So that's why electrophilic reagent will attract toward the benzene ring and undergo substitution reaction. So okay, so benzene or most of the aromatic compound undergo addition reaction under drastic condition and substitution reaction under normal condition. Remember, all the aromatic compound undergo substitution reaction. This is the characteristic property of aromatic compound. Okay, see some example of substitution addition reaction. First example of addition of chlorine. If we react this benzene with chlorine, suppose benzene treated with chlorine gas in presence of UV light, sunlight, okay, then all the three molecules of chlorine get add across carbon-carbon double bond and get converted into single bond to give this type of compound. Here every carbon atom having hydrogen, see hydrogen is as it is, okay, but chlorine gets added. So this compound is formed by addition reaction and the name of the compound is benzene hexachloride. Hexachloride BHC. So see this, at normal condition this reaction will never take place, but if we use UV light or under drastic conditions, strong heating, then benzene undergo addition reaction to form benzene hexachloride molecule. Okay, this is one of the example. Also benzene add hydrogen molecule. benzene add hydrogen molecule, and that reaction take place in presence of nickel catalyst and high temperature. Nickel catalyst is required and high temperature required. Okay, so these three hydrogen molecule add to give cyclohexane. So this reaction clearly prove that contain pi bond. Okay, but it is not sure pure double bond. It having single bond character as well as double bond character, and they are in continuous motion. Therefore, require drastic condition during addition reaction. Okay, then addition of ozone. 3 molecule of ozone get add across benzene ring. Each bond of benzene ring form ozonoid. This type of compound obtained. Okay, so all these three reactions showing that benzene contain double bond, but these double bond are not pure double bond, 100% double bond. They are having characteristic of single bond as well as double bond. These are the some example of addition reaction. In next class we will discuss the substitution reaction given by benzene or other aromatic compound. Thank you very much.